Hello, my name is Serge and this is LiveAlgarve Realty. Welcome to another video tour. We are today in a mountain chic Lagos, Algarve, Portugal. Very elevated, sought after, luxurious location. The views from here are simply stunning. We're overlooking Mount Monchique, Lagos Bay, Lagos itself, open vista all around us. A very secluded, private location. Only a few villas in this development. And of course, what I have behind me is a marvel of architecture, a spaceship on top of the mountain. I give you Villa 01. So how about that? This is for real. We are about 5 minutes, or actually 2 minutes by car to Lagos, 2 hours to Lisbon, 1 hour to the airport, 30 minutes to Sagres. Very central location, elevated with amazing views. And the house itself is truly stunning. We actually sold this plot to the developer and he made this stunning beauty. The plot is 2,100 square meters. The house is around 350 of living area plus terraces, etc. Inside we have 5 luxurious, spacious bedrooms with even more luxurious bathrooms. So I can't wait to show you. Come on, let's have a look-see. Welcome inside. A prestigious builder, a famous architect, and a visionary behind the idea will create this. So on the ground floor, we have open space all around us, floor to ceiling windows. Open areas allow so much sunlight, it feels like you actually live outside. Here we have a kitchen, dining area with the living together. At the back we have a little pantry, and then the left side or a left wing of the property allows you to enter 2 bedrooms, and then the staircase to the top floor will lead you to another 2. This property possesses the most advanced technology when it comes to building. The list is so long, it will take me an hour to go through. So check description below or go to our website and see what they are. But in my point of view, the house of this quality and on this location will not come around anytime soon. So there you go, now you've seen it. Villa 01, Mountain Funchal, Lagos. Stunning views, exceptional quality, and amazing architecture. I would like to thank you for taking this tour with us. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video, and go to the link below the video to score your personal visit to this property. In my point of view, this is one of a kind. There's very few properties left with this sort of view and with this sort of quality, so I urge you not to wait. Call us now and see it for yourself. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.